Welcome to the world of SAP. It's a comprehensive suite of enterprise software that streamlines and optimizes business processes. Let's break it down. First up, procurement, represented by SAP MM. It's the procure-to-pay journey from sourcing and purchasing to paying the supplier. Next, sales, represented by SAP SD. It's the order-to-cash process, fulfilling customer orders and receiving payment. Human Experience Management, or HCM, oversees the entire hire-to-retire journey. It ensures seamless human resource management. Finance, represented by SAP FI, is the record-to-report process. It's the backbone of external financial reporting, tracking and reporting every financial transaction. Production, guided by SAP PP, strategizes production and ensures timely manufacturing. It's the plan-to-produce process. Finally, plant maintenance, known as SAP PM or EAM, ensures assets are well maintained and operational issues are addressed promptly. It's the notify to maintain and plan to maintain process. Each module, each process, is a cog in the vast machinery of a business. It ensures smooth operations and optimized performance.